Good day friends, welcome. Want to delete messages on Chai app? So here's the full guide on what you can and can't do. So firstly, what you can delete. You can delete entire chats. Swipe left on a chat in your main chat list, tap delete to remove the whole conversation. This deletes the entire chat history and the bot. Then you can edit the bot responses, tap the pencil icon next to a bot's message. You can rewrite the bot's response to correct or change the conversation. This doesn't delete your message, but allows you to adjust the bot's reply. Then what you can't do. You can't delete individual messages. Chai doesn't currently support deleting individual messages within a chat. Once sent, your messages are permanent. This limitation is due to how Chai processes and stores messages. You can't also undo the message or delete it. There are no options for that after they're sent. If you make a mistake, you can try editing the bot's response, but not your own message. So while you can delete entire chats and edit bot responses, individual message deletion isn't possible on this service. Like and subscribe, guys. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, you can also leave a comment talking about this topic. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.